In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate classic Google Sites. If you're moving from the classic version of Google Sites to the modern one, there's a built-in tool that makes the process straightforward. We'll open the new Google Sites, start a migration from classic sites, choose the site you want to bring over, and then carefully review the imported content and layout. The key thing to know is that this creates a copy in the new sites while your original classic site stays exactly as it is, so you can work safely without disrupting anything live. First, open Google Sites in the new interface. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that owns or can edit the classic site. When you reach the modern sites homepage, you'll see your recent projects and templates. That's where you'll begin the migration. Next, click Create and choose from classic sites. Create is the button for starting a new site. Selecting from classic sites tells Google to import your older site instead of starting from a blank template. This opens a picker that lists the classic sites you can migrate. Now select the classic site you want to migrate. You'll see the sites you own or have editing access to. Pick the one you need and confirm. Google Sites will copy the structure and content into a new format site. This is a copy, not a move, so the classic version remains unchanged. If your site is large or has many embedded items, the import can take a bit of time. Once the import finishes, review the imported content and layout thoroughly. Walk through the homepage and each section to confirm the navigation, page hierarchy, and internal links are working. Check text formatting, headings, and spacing, since classic themes don't always map one-to-one to modern themes. Look closely at images, attachments, and embedded items like drive files, calendars, videos, and forms, and verify they display and have appropriate permissions. Some legacy gadgets or special page types, such as announcement pages or file cabinets, may be converted to standard pages or embeds, so make sure the information still reads clearly in the new format. Pay attention to headers, footers, logos, and color schemes. If the default import looks off, choose a theme that best matches your brand. It's also helpful to preview the site on desktop and mobile to catch layout issues. If you notice anything out of place, adjust it directly in the new editor and refresh to confirm. And that's it. You've brought your classic site into the new Google Sites and given it a careful check, so it's ready for your next steps.